Words about the story of the friendly ghost. 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 A ghost is the spirit of a dead person. Many people are afraid of ghosts. Individual. Individual. An individual is one person. Only one individual could win the bicycle race.
Pet. Pet. A pet is an animal that lives with people. Out of all my pets, the dog is my favorite. Reach. Reach. To reach means to arrive at a place. I was happy to finally reach my destination. Return. Return. To return is to go back to a place. I was happy to return home to my mom after school. Survive. Survive. To survive is to stay alive. My dog survived her fall into the water. Upset. Upset. To be upset is to be unhappy about something. She was upset because she broke her toy. Voice. Voice. A voice is the sound a person makes when they talk or sing. He used a microphone, so everyone could hear his voice. Weather. Weather. The weather is the condition of the air. Hot, rainy, windy, etc. The weather can be sunny, rainy or cold. Wise. Wise. To be wise is to use experience and intelligence to make good choices. Many people believe that owls are very wise animals.
Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.